Everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make an awareness video on 3 kilowatt solar power plant. So coming to see here, these are the different types of tools that are delivered by the vendor at the location. Okay, so here you can see here all the material that will be moved from the ground floor to the first floor. All these channels are called as horizontal channels, and these are called as the vertical channels, which are made up of galvanized iron. Okay, slowly they are moved from ground floor to the targeted project position. Okay, and slowly you can see here all the vertical channels and horizontal channels will be moved. Okay, so this will withstand for an lifetime of 25 years. After the structure movement, we will go for a movement of panels. So all these are Tata 590 watt panel, which are of mono PERC technology, which is an premium technology in Tata. Okay, so you can see here these panels are a black color, and these are basically bifacial Tata panels, and care is taken how to move the panels from ground floor to the project location, which is at second floor. So see here the workers are working a lot and carefully they are moving it to the ground floor to the first floor. Okay, if any damage occurs, it doesn't covers under warranty. We should be very care of these things. Okay, so slowly, after moving the panels, the complete material will be moved to the project location, where you know the location is at second floor. And here you can see here all the material has been shifted, and I have been gone there for the recording of the video, and I have been used the helmet for the safety point of view. Why? Because we are working with the sharp point, and there may be sharp edges also at the location. So you see here the vendor and the workers, electrical and mechanical people, has started installation of a structure and pointing this latitude towards south, and angle of 120 is maintained, and all the solar panels has been placed on the structure. Okay, the total area of this structure is 225 square feet. Okay, and all the bolts and anchor bolts are inserted into the structure, and all the stainless steel bolts are tighted here. And coming to the inverter section, so here you can see here input we have DC input, and output we have AC output, and this blue colored one is nothing but to connect the Wi-Fi. Okay, and AC we have three pins. Okay, now coming to the wiring diagram, so these are the different components that will be installed. So we have a DC box and we have an AC box, and AC is connected to the isolator, and after this isolator we are going to connect to the contractor, and output of the contractor we are going to connect to an one more MCB, where we can isolate and we can switch it off. Okay, after giving all these electrical connections, we have to connect to the output of the black meter, which is nothing but the smart meter. And now coming to the next point, here we have been installed the all the solar panel of 6 numbers of 590 watts, and all these panels are of passivated emitter ray cells, which is a mono arc, and this is nothing but the lightning arrestor. Here you can see here lightning arrestor should never touch your home, in such a way that wiring has been done by the vendor. And all you can see here, they are kept in an plastic insulating material, and all this wire will be run to the ground floor. Here you can see here basically these are nothing but galvanized iron structure, and this is an bifacial solar panel. Now let us try to see how the wiring diagram we have to connect. So starting from here, you can see here. So this is panel 1, and we are recording the video at evening mode, and this is nothing but solar panel of 590 watts. Output of one panel is connected to the input of another panel. Here you can see the genuinity of Tata Power, and output of the second panel is connected to the input of the third panel. Like this, the output of the third panel is connected to the input of the fourth panel. Okay, after connecting the, so here you can see here, this is the junction point where this is called MC4 connector, and output of the fourth panel we have to connect to the fifth panel. This is the junction point, and output of the fifth panel we are going to connect to the output of the sixth panel, and these are closed here. And here when you are closing, you are going to get one positive wire as well as negative wire, which is shown in red color, will be brought out. Okay, So like this, all this should go to the inverter. So here we have been digged two earth pits, continued with an one more pit, which is nothing but AC pit. Okay, so we have AC pit, DC pit, and lightning arrestor pit, which are filled with composite powder, which is nothing but earthing powder. Thank you for watching.